Are you looking for some budget-friendly IKEA design hacks? Stay tuned as I reveal 3 of my personal favorites. Hello, I'm Maria Papailiadis, QC Student Ambassador and current QC student enrolled in the Interior Decorating and Staging for Designers programs. I recently started Simple and Styled, my own design business. My personal style is very eclectic, so finding one-of-a-kind unique pieces that can be store-bought is quite difficult. Enter the IKEA hack. In today's video, I will show you how I hacked 3 popular IKEA items to create unique spaces within my home. Before we get started, let's talk about what a hack is. A design hack is taking an item intended for one purpose and hacking it to use it for a different purpose. It's actually a genius way of simplifying the design process and staying within budget for most projects. There are many benefits to using hacks. The first one is time. While not all design hacks are quick and easy, they do generally save you time in the long run. Finding a perfect piece or ordering custom furniture can be a very lengthy process. COVID especially has created manufacturing and shipping issues that have affected everything from textiles to lumber to home appliances. Another obvious benefit is that hacking an item is very cost-effective as opposed to buying an item custom made. Remember those custom pieces that I mentioned earlier? They're definitely amazing quality. However, they can be out of budget for the average homeowner. With a little bit of creativity, some spray paint, and imagination, you're able to turn everyday ordinary products into amazing one-of-a-kind pieces. Most hacks involve very little technical skill, which makes them perfect for anyone to try in their own home. The majority of items that you will need to hack a basic piece of furniture are readily available at Home Depot, Amazon, Walmart, Dollarama, or my personal favorite, IKEA. IKEA has quickly become synonymous with design hacks, and it's a personal favorite for many designers. There are entire websites devoted to showcasing different ways to assemble, paint, and repurpose basic IKEA furniture. The beauty of IKEA is that the furniture is very inexpensive and minimalistic, which makes it the perfect base to manipulate for a one-of-a-kind piece. Simple fixes include changing out knobs and hardware, spray painting furniture legs, or painting entire pieces. IKEA also offers a wide variety of accessories in every color of the rainbow, which makes it one of my favorite places to shop to add seasonal touches to my own home or to pick up accessories for staging projects. IKEA is my own personal Disneyland. Everything from the arrows on the floor directing you through the store to the sweet smell of cinnamon buns at the checkout make it an essential stop on my list every time I start a design project. Now that we've covered what design hacks are and why IKEA is my personal favorite place to shop, let's look at my top 3 IKEA hacks. Our first hack is the kitchen pantry. Our kitchen didn't have a pantry, but we desperately needed one, and custom built would have cost over $1,000. So instead, I used a Billy bookcase with glass panel doors, extra shelves, and a height extender. Inside, I added bins, glass containers, and a whiteboard to use as a grocery list from the dollar store to complete the project. The total cost, including dollar store items, was about $300 plus tax. The next hack is our charging station. I wanted a place to neatly store and charge our electronics. The nightstand that I purchased has been discontinued, but you can use the Brimnes model for a similar look. I started by painting the entire piece yellow with acrylic paint from the dollar store. Then I drilled a 2-inch hole in the back to feed through wires, and the last step was attaching the power bar with command strips. Bonus items are the frames that we used for our gallery wall, which are also all from IKEA and range from $4 to $20 each. The total cost for our charging station, including paint and command strips, was $80 plus tax. Hack number 3 is the playroom. We wanted extra seating for the kids as well as tidy storage for their toys and crafts. I used the Kallax shelf horizontally and added colorful Drona storage bins. The seat cushion was made by cutting and layering a foam mattress topper and curtain panel from Walmart. Lastly, I purchased a rail and buckets that are meant for cutlery and kitchen utensils to use as a place to hold the kids' chalk, crayons, and sketch pads. Total cost, including the seat cushion, was $200 plus tax. Now that we have your creativity flowing, are you looking for a career in interior decorating? If you want to learn a little bit more about becoming a certified interior decorator, head over to the QC Design School website and take a look at the multitude of courses that they offer in the design-related fields. QC Design School offers many specialized courses such as home organization, color consultation, and aging in place. Becoming certified will help you to keep your clients on time and on budget for every project. Once you're done with the website, head over to the Facebook virtual classroom where you can connect with current and former students like myself, and we can tell you exactly why QC is the right choice. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to leave me a comment below to let me know what your favorite design hack is. Thanks so much for watching.